Today again that is prime number. That is very interesting topic. That is 200 to 400. We are finding prime numbers with the help of 6n plus minus 1. So we will start from 6 into 34 minus 1. That is 203 having factors 7 and 29. So it is not a prime number. Okay. 6 into 34 plus 1, that is 205 having factor 5. Okay, so it is not a prime number because it is ending with 5. 6 into 35 minus 1, that is 209. Again it is having factors 19 and 11. So it is not a prime number. Now 6 into 35 plus 1, 211. It is a prime number. So prime number start from here in this series. 6 into 36 minus 1, that is a 215. It is end with 5, so it will be divisible by 5. So it is not a prime number. Again 6 into 36 plus 1, 217. It is having factors 7 and 31, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 37 minus 1, that is 221, having factors 13 and 17, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 37 plus 1, that is 223, it is a prime number. Similarly 6 into 38 minus 1, 227, so it is a prime number. 6 into 38 plus 1, 229, so it is a prime number. Okay. 6 into 39 minus 1, 223, so it is a prime number. Okay. 6 into 39 plus 1, 235, end with 5, so it is having a factor of 5, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 40 minus 1 is 239. This one is 239. 239 is a prime number. 6 into 40 plus 1, 241. It is a prime number. Okay. 6 into 41 minus 1 equals to 245. It is end with 5. So it is having factor 5. So it is not a prime number. Similarly, 6 into 41 plus 1, 247. It is having factor of 19 and 13. So it is not a prime number. 6 into 42 minus 1, 251. It is a prime number. 6 into 42 plus 1, 253, having factor 11 and 23, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 43 minus 1, it is 257, so it is a prime number. Okay. 6 into 43 plus 1, 259, having factor 7 and 37, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 44 minus 1 is 263, so it is a prime number. Okay. 6 into 44 plus 1, that is 265. Again it is ending with 5. Its unit digit having 5, so it is divisible by 5. It is having factor 5, so it is not a prime number. Now 6 into 45 minus 1, that is 269. It is a prime number. 6 into 45 plus 1, it is 271, it is a prime number. 6 into 46 minus 1, 275, it is having factor 5, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 46 plus 1, 277, it is a prime number. 6 into 47 minus 1, 281, it is a prime number. 6 into 47, 6 into 47 plus 1 equals to 283. It is a prime number. 6 into 48 minus 1, 287. It is having factor 7 and 41. So it is not a prime number. 6 into 48 plus 1, 289. It is a common number, 17 plus 5, 17. Square of 17. So it is not a prime number. 6 into 49 minus 1, 293. It is a prime number. 6 into 49 plus 1, that is 295, having factor 5, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 50 minus 1, that is 299, having factor 13 and 23, so it is not a prime number. So counting again we get these are 211, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total 16 numbers are prime numbers between 200 to 300. And those numbers which are in the form 6m plus minus 1, but they are not prime number, they are having only 17 numbers. So 17 numbers are there which are in the form 6m plus minus 1, but they are not prime number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7. Okay? Now easily you can remember the prime numbers between 200 to 300. Now we start prime number from this one, that is 300 to 400. Okay? Now we have to start with 6 into 50 plus 1 because it was started with 6 into 50 minus 1. Okay? So it will start with 6 into 50 plus 1, that is the 301, that is 7 and 43 are the factors of 301. So it is not a prime number. 6 into 51 minus 1, 305, it is having factor of 5, so it is a prime, it is not a prime number. 6 into 51 plus 1, that is 307, it is a prime number. It is a prime number. That is the first prime number after 300, it starts with 307. Okay, 307. And here it was 211. Okay. Now again you see 6 into 52 minus 1, 311. It is a prime number. Similarly, there was 211. It was a prime number. 6 into 52 plus 1, 313. It is a prime number. 6 into 53 minus 1, that is 317. It is a prime number. 6 into 53 plus 1, that is 319. Having factors 11 and 29. So it is not a prime number. 6 into 54 minus 1, that is 323. Again they are having factors 17, 19. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. 6 into 54 plus 1, 325. Having factor 5. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. 6 into 55 minus 1, 329. Having factor 7 and 47. That is not a prime number, that is a composite number. 6 into 55 plus 1, 331, it is a prime number. So 331 is the prime number. 6 into 56 minus 1, 335. Again it is having factor 5, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 56 plus 1, 337. 337, it is a prime number. 6 into 57 minus 1, 341, having factor 11 and 31, so it is not a prime number. Again, 6 into 57 plus 1, 343, 343, it is having factor 7, it is a cube of 7. So it is not a prime number. 6 into 58 minus 1, 347. It is a prime number. 6 into 58 plus 1, 349. It is a prime number. 6 into 59 minus 1, 353. It is a prime number. 6 into 59 plus 1, 355. Having factor 5, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 60 minus 1. 359, it is a prime number. 6 into 60 plus 1, that is 361, which is a square of 19, so it is not a prime number, it is a composite number, as well as it is the square of 19. So similarly, you can find all squares, okay. 6 into 61 minus 1, that is 365, it is end with 5. So having factor 5, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 61 plus 1, 367. It is a prime number. Okay. 6 into 62 minus 1, 371. Having factor 7 and 53, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 62 plus 1, 373. It is a prime number. 6 into 63 minus 1, 377. 13 and 29 are the factors of 377. So it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. 6 into 63 plus 1, that is 379. It is a prime number, it is a prime number. Okay. 6 into 64 minus 1, 383. 383. It is a prime number. 6 into 64 plus 1, 385. End with 5. So it is not a prime number because it is having factor of 5. 6 into 65 minus 1, 389. 389, it is a prime number. 6 into 65 plus 1, 391. Having factor 17 and 23. So it is a composite number, it is not a prime number. Okay. 6 into 61 minus 1, 395. It is end with 5, so it is not a prime number. 6 into 66 plus 1, 397. It is a prime number. Okay. So if we are counting this thing from 300 to 400, only 16 numbers are there which are in the form 6m plus minus 1 and they are prime number. Okay. Let's count. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This one is 16. Okay. Here is some interesting thing. Because here, that is the numbers which are in the form 6m plus minus 1 and are not prime numbers, their number also 16. Let's count. That's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That is it. Just again I count. Okay. That is how many numbers will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay? 17 numbers. Okay? So here is 16, 17. Here is also 16, 17. Okay? So, again another interesting topic. Okay? That is 47 is a prime number. 147 is not a prime number. 247 is not a prime number. 347 is a prime number. Again 1947, it is a very remarkable, that is the year for us. Okay, that is 1947 is not a prime number, but 1847 it is a prime number. So homework is that you will start with 447, 547, 647 up to 1747, which are prime number, which are not. Again in the next class I will discuss about it. Okay.